Hello, this is just a quick little tutorial to show how to include animation within a PowerPoint. I know many times when we give notes in the class, we want the outline to be there, but we don't want to have the kids have to write everything at once. So I'm going to show you how to make things appear on click, one at a time. So in front of you, I've got my PowerPoint slide already filled out with the answers. When I click it to put it in presentation view, you see that the answers are not there. When I click the mouse, the answers will appear. So I click it again. Each time I click it, another answer appears. So this is what I'm going to show you how to do. So here is that same worksheet without any answers. Anytime you want to add text, you insert a text box. So I'll just do that real quick. So a non-infectious disease is a disease that cannot be passed. And I know that's a little bit different than the definition that I had in the other slide. But so this is a disease that cannot be passed from one person to another through contact. There's the answer, but I don't want kids to see the answer right away. So up here you've got animations. If I click on animations, it brings up some different animations that I can use. When I have this box highlighted, if I choose an animation, it will be applied to this box. So make sure that you have highlighted the text box or the item that you want the animation to change. So I don't want it to show up right away, so I will click appear. And you'll see then I get a little number. So that's the first animation on this slide. Up here, it tells you when it's going to appear. So I just usually leave it on click. So now that I've applied this animation, if I put it into the slideshow presentation, you can see that answer is not there. But when I click my mouse, it appears. Okay. So I'll go back out. Now, if I want the slide to be completely blank when I start, I can also animate images. So I'll do the same thing. I'll click on the worksheet image, click appear. But you can see now that there's a number 2. So if I put this in slideshow, nothing's there. There's the answer. There's the worksheet. How do I get the worksheet to show up first and then the answer? So if I click out, escape, you can see again, the answer is number 1, the image is number 2. If I click on the image, and I click on animation pane, this brings up all of my animations within this slide. So picture 3, which is this picture here, the worksheet, is number 2. I can click on it, click and hold, and I drag it above number 1, and it switches the order of my animations. So if I bring this to full screen again, there's no picture. Here's your picture. Here's your answer when you click. So it's really easy to add animations. You also have different options on the animations that you choose to use. You can get fancy with it. You can make it spin. You can make it turn, fade, all of those things. You can also animate to make images disappear. So looking at this picture, I've got the picture appearing, I've got the answer appearing. I want the answer to disappear when I go to the next. So I'll click on this text box again. Now there's already one animation there, but I want to add an animation. So if I click add an animation, it will add an additional animation. So I'll do exit effect and we'll wipe it clean. And it adds another animation. So again, I'll make it full screen. Click, there's my picture. Click, there's my answer. Click, my answer's gone. So it's super easy to add animation to your screen so you can allow things to be shown when you want them to be. And students don't get overwhelmed with all of the information there at once. So I hope this answers your questions. Have fun.